Hey there, future me, and hello to all the viewers. Welcome to this video where I'll be building a mobile shed for Sienna and her trailer. Let's quickly rewind and take a sneak peek at the shed design in Fusion 360. Here we have the base structure, followed by the bracing panels and the roof framework. Since I don't have power for my tools at the yard, I picked up this generator. It delivers 3400 watts and features an electric start with remote control, which is really convenient when I'm working on the boat and don't want to run the generator constantly. The battery will charge while the generator is running. Start it manually first to get the generator charging. Success! Now I'm starting to cut the beams and panels for the base structure. Since the planning was done during the design process, I can now just take measurements directly from the CAD model. The first part of the frame structure is being pre-drilled and assembled. This little drill I bought maybe 8 years ago for $40 to batteries. It still works. It's unbelievable. In this section I've corrected an error I made. While I'm not entirely sure what went wrong, I suspect the beam I used differs in dimension from what I designed in CAD. Fortunately, this issue was easily resolved, and aside from that hiccup, everything else went according to plan. The rafters are being cut using a jigsaw. I didn't capture this on film, but to ensure the shapes were accurate, I 3D printed templates that guided the cutting of the first rafters. These rafters were then used as a reference to replicate the others as seen here. cutouts for the ridge and this mounting method, the rafters lock together to form a strong unified structure. Once the rafters are screwed down to the eaves, all corners of the triangular structure are secured, adding significant sturdiness to the construction. The bottom beams are fitted with 4 wheels each. I chose wheels typically used for flight cases in the event industry. They can handle 200 kg each and are incredibly durable. I think it's not bad I didn't capture on camera how I secured the roof construction to the legs. Managing this on my own was a bit sketchy, to say the least. Let's say I'm just relieved that everything went smoothly and neither Sienna nor myself were damaged in the process. The final braces are mounted. I'm now mounting the roof extensions, which covers Sienna's bow and stern, completing the structure. Although these roof extensions aren't designed to support heavy loads, the central structure is. Now, editing this video almost a year later, I can confirm that I can hang the boat on the horizontal beams. For peace of mind, I later added some extra beams for bracing. Since then, the shed has withstood some considerable storms, snow, and everything else Switzerland's climate has thrown at it. And there you have it, the shed is finished. I hope you enjoyed this video and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.